guys, my name is Wes. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy my video of me eating mukbang. No, not mukbang. Of me eating what I eat. Enjoy.
Ngày thì ba nhân viên là bay tận ớt hay đâu mình sẽ đổ thôi à đi vô bay tận ớt muối đủ mình đổ vía ai mình chưa tập tập cái nàyตัวไหนคลั่งเหมือนแต่ผมเคยยังกันได้จังนะได้จนเลี้ยงhaiใหญ่อันนี้จะลุกพอวิ่งจะลุกไปตลาดchế khi nào bao khi nãy trước này tôi dùng ban nhắm á mình không thể chức nhanh mình tè tôi thể chức nhanh các bạn nhắm chọn pe chứต้องเป็นไงควอดรัทีนึงเนาะย้ำฉอนไปจนมันทอดแล้วแต่ไอ้บอกใช่ไหมmình cầm tích tuổi như thế nhà nào bài cái năng là đi hiện cloud tại ở gì như nhà bán chọn biết các bạn Bye.
I hope you enjoy my video and keep smiling. Hope you all stay safe and eat something healthy. Don't go outside a lot because you don't really know if there's gonna be the virus. It's not safe, just so you know. So just stay at home. Home is the best thing you ever. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. So, guys, overall, I just want to say, I hope you enjoy watching my video, and please like, subscribe, and follow me in my Instagram account. Link in bio. Bye.